Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is some tips and tricks for beginners in Stalcraft X. Now after you complete the tutorial, you're basically going to be welcome to this little area which is going to be like your safe zone. And you have to keep in mind guys that Stalcraft is basically an MMO FPS with survival loot mechanic, okay? So the most important thing that you can do is actually be looking around the map for certain items or certain ammunition, weapons, hell 8 kits and things like that. Okay, this is very important that you actually do it. Okay, so after you complete the tutorial, you're going to be equipped and you're going to know the basics. The thing that I always recommend you do is to open the PDA using the P key. Okay, if you're playing on PC. And here you're basically going to be able to have like a guide. So this is going to serve as your tutorial basically for different, ammunition, artifacts, and different things like that. And also to check your tasks. As you can see in here, I have to basically find these tasks. Okay, guys? So yeah, this is the thing that I have to do, and that's going to complete the mission for me. And then I'm going to be guide through this little area with this golden icon, and this is going to show me where do I have to go basically. Okay, so this is basically part of like the main story or the main quest, and if you follow it, you're going to get better weapons and better equipment. Now, another thing that you have to keep in mind is about the anomalies, okay? Anomalies are things that are gonna make, certain unique noises. So you have to learn the sound signatures, and there's no other way to do this by playing it, okay? So you just have to play it, and you have to avoid them or time artifact your bolts, okay? Which you're gonna get later in the game. And this is gonna allow you to do basically is, first of all, you're not gonna die, and you can get, nearby very good equipment, okay? And finally, you have to manage your inventory and your weight. If you press your E key, you're going to be welcome to this inventory in here. And as you can see, first of all, you have this optimal weight and this sort of weight limit that you have in here. As you can see, I have now 7.3 kilos out of 37.5. And the more weapons that I pick and the more things that I do, the more weight that I'm going to have. Okay, so always keep this, in optimal below this red bar basically for optimal weight. And this is going to allow you to be more mobile. If you are over this red bar in here, you're going to be more heavy. All right, and make sure to carry your weapons. All right, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I would also recommend you to avoid open field fights until you learn sightlines and recoil, and you have better weapons. Because right now, as you can see, I just initiated like a new game in order to show you this advice here. But I only have this weapon in here, and if I start running and trying to face enemies, trying to be hostile, I'm just gonna get killed because I don't have good enough weapons, okay? And I don't have good enough equipment. So just be patient and try to loot around the houses and try to play kind of stealthy, okay? Thank you so much, guys.